Hello, my name is Fome and this is Fome. Hello guys, my name is Fomefitme and you're welcome back to my channel. Yes. So today guys, I'll be trying out two Nigerian brands, Hager and Esther matte lipstick. I heard it's very nice. And I also use the Zaron lip liner. Okay, so I'll be using the Zaron lip pencil in Cappuccino. So I'm going to use it to line my lips. I already have the baby lips of Maybelline on my lips, lip gloss. Okay guys, so I'm done applying the Zaron lip pencil and Cappuccino on my lips. So I apply it behind my palm to avoid contamination, and I'll apply. And smack. A nude lips make you look so young. Aww. I'm smacking so that the lines doesn't show. Then I can use a Q-tip. So guys, I love the Hager and Esther lipstick because it does not crack. Some people will be wondering what's crack. You know, most times when some women wear lipstick, you start seeing funny lines on their lips.
Hey, yeah.
The lipstick is cracking. So the Hager and Esther lipstick does not do that. It doesn't break. It's very nice. I had a lip balm under my lips before applying the lipstick, so it's going to dry off. When it dries off real matte, I can take water, drink, and it will not transfer on the cup.